Hi guys, I'm Rahima. I'm a blogger and today I'm pro on board with Be Beautiful. My Instagram handle is ramsgram. You can follow me there. And today I'm going to teach you 3 ways to de-stress through meditations. So guys, our first technique is going to be the breathing technique. What you do in the breathing technique is you make sure that you're sitting properly, just like I am sitting. Your back should be straight and you have to close your eyes and make sure that you're breathing in very slowly and then breathing out. So this breathing technique really helps you with getting rid of stress, anxiety. As you all know, we are super busy these days on social media as well, and then in and out working here and there. So it really helps you bring in that peace and that calm. This technique is called breathing in technique. So let's begin. You have to make sure that your back is super straight. You can look at me. See, I'm sitting super straight, and then all you have to do is you have to make sure your hands are in this gesture. Okay, bring them down, close your eyes. Now take a deep breath and then take a breath out. I suggest you do it like 5 or 6 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As we are done with our breathing technique, our second technique is going to be the visualization technique. In this technique, ये बहुत easy है. Visualization थोड़ा बड़ा लगता है, लेकिन ये it's super easy. You only have to, you can sit back, you can relax, you can lie down on a bed. It's your choice. बिल्कुल आपकी मर्जी है, ठीक है? मैं कैसे करती हूँ? I always close my eyes and I imagine a big thick tree in front of me or a simple plain wall. All right? And then I imagine a black fluid flowing from my head, which symbolizes all the stress, all the anxiety that I have collected throughout the day. And then I imagine it's flowing from my head till my toe, and then I project all of that mentally towards that tree or the simple plain wall. This technique is called the visualization technique. Let's begin. So now all you have to do is, अब आप लेट भी सकते हैं और आप मेरी तरह बैठ भी सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो आपने सिर्फ अपनी आंखें बंद करनी है. मैं अपने हाथ ऐसे बंद कर रही हूँ, आपकी मर्जी है, आप स्ट्रेट भी रख सकते हैं, सही है? Now close your eyes and now imagine a big fat thick trunk वाला दरख्त अपने सामने, सही है? या फिर अगर आपसे इतना विजुअलाइज नहीं हो रहा है तो आप सिर्फ एक प्लेन वाइट वॉल भी इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, सही है? अब अपने सर से आप इमेजिन करें कि जो है एक ब्लैक कलर का फ्लूइड या किसी भी कलर का फ्लूइड फ्लो कर रहा है, सही है? इट्स फ्लोइंग डाउन टिल योर forehead. It has reached your forehead, all right? Now it's flowing down from your nose to your throat. All the stress is coming down and it's ready to leave your body. Okay, now it's flowing further down from your heart to your lungs. Now it has reached to your kidneys, and now it's ready to flow down from your legs till the toe. Now with me, visualize all of this bad energy, all of the stress, and project it to the tree or the wall. Give it all the bad vibes, all the anxiety, all the stress that you've collected throughout your day is leaving your body now. a deep breath in. Open your eyes. And I am sure you all are feeling superb and super fresh. Now let's start with our third technique, which is going to be counting backwards technique. इसमें आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, ये भी बहुत सिंपल है बाकी टेक्निक्स की तरह. You have to make sure you're sitting straight and your feet should be touching the floor, okay? And your hands will be on your thighs, ऐसे straight. और फिर मैं काउंट करूँगी 50 से लेके 1 तक, और आपने जो है सिंपली आंखें बंद करके ऐसे बैठ के वो फॉलो करना है. इसका बेनिफिट ज़्यादातर उन लोगों को होता है जिनको सोने के प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, सही है, और जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर थिंकिंग करने की आदत होती है, और जो है दिमाग खोल तो हम देते हैं, लेकिन हम में से बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं, 99% ऑफ अस डोंट नो हाउ टू स्विच ऑफ. So it basically helps you switch off your mind and helps you sleep. So let's start. This technique is called counting backwards. So let's begin. आपने straight back करके बैठना है, ठीक है, और आपने make sure करना है कि आपके पैर जो है वो ज़मीन पे touch करें, सही है. Now put your hands on your thighs. Your feet should be touching the ground. Your eyes should be closed. And I'll be counting from 20 till 1, and all you have to do is you have to visualize the number on your right side of your brain, okay? So let's start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, breathe out. Open your eyes. That's it, and I hope that all of these 3 techniques help you really well. And जो last वाली technique थी breathe count down वाली, इसमें what you can do is you can start from 50 also, you can start from 100 also, and you can also start from 200. It's up to you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful, and do let me know in the comment section what would you like to see next.